1 week after 9/11, letters started arriving at news stations and government buildings. Inside each envelope was a fine white powder. It was a weapons-grade anthrax. 5 people died horrible deaths, their lungs filled with deadly spores. Thousands more were exposed. The FBI launched the biggest investigation in American history. At first, they hunted foreign terrorists, but then they made a chilling discovery. The anthrax came from inside a U.S. military lab. Mail sorting facilities shut down. The postal system collapsed. Panic spread across the country as people feared opening their own mail. For 7 years, investigators searched for the killer. They focused on scientists who had access to the deadly samples. Dr. Bruce Ivins worked at the Army's Biodefense Lab. He knew how to make anthrax. He had the skills to weaponize it. As the FBI closed in, Ivins took his own life. America's deadliest bioterror attack didn't come from overseas enemies. It came from within our own biodefense program. The call was coming from inside the house.